What's good, baby? It's your boy Dale. I'm back in the saddle again. I know I've been a little bit silent on social media. Hey, don't shout me down. It's all good, baby. I just been in the lab cooking a little something up again. You know, we buying cash flow assets all over the nation. Let me say it again. Cash flowing assets. What'd you say, Dr. Dale? We cash flowing this thing. One more time for the folk in the back row. We cash flowing this thing, y'all. It's about monthly cash flow. Now, y'all, this one's a little bit different. This is a renovation project. What that means is we are buying a property that's distressed, putting some stank on that thing, making it look real pretty, and then putting it on the market. But y'all know what time it is. Say it with your boy and say it with your chest. Let's get it. We down here in Florida getting it in a little bit. Entrepreneurship at its finest. Want to look at a property.
Collapses, I applaud every saint who going hard, catching heat, refusing to live discreet for the Lord. Yeah, and it's the life. It ain't nothing better, even in the trial and the error. It's the best thing ever. Wouldn't trade it for the world. That's how you lose your soul. So I'm letting go of everything, trying to take hold.
There's a GC right there, Cliff. Yes, sir.
Checklist. Check out the checklist. We got it for everything we need.
Yes, sir. Okay. Yes, sir.
Hard, oh Lord, people coming sideways like my car, yeah, sitting on chrome, as if it was a throne, making judgments from afar, double-minded two-tone. But in that moment, baby, that's when he is strong, empowered by his power, so you can keep moving on. So this is for the saint who feel defeated by the hater. They come because of him, but in him you can take it. They want me to fail, but I can't do that. Sometimes it gets hard, I already knew that. Bravo. When them hate, man, I already knew that. Kept them fake, no escape, yeah, unless he do that. So 2 hands together for the ones who never let up. He said that it would happen, so you can expect the pressure. He told us it would come only a matter of time, and it's something I expected even after he died. People turn away from the one who can give them real life, it's the truth, that's the reason they despise, man, despise the fact that you chose to become a Christian. The gospel is offensive, hard hearts barely choose forgiveness. And if they hated him, what makes you any different? It doesn't. Man, I pray to God that you listen. Count it all joy when the persecution comes. Celebrate. It's the proof that to him you belong. Seem wrong, but it's true. The scripture said it's right. None but a master. Hey, they gon' hate you if they hated Christ. Fail, but I can't do that. Sometimes it gets hard. I already knew that. Bravo. 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 Can I get a round of applause for the haters? They can talk down, but they won't ever shake us. Bravo. 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 Clap, clap, bravo. Clap, clap, bravo. This is for the people in the pain and the sorrow. Clap, clap, bravo. Clap, clap, bravo. This is to the haters who hate us cause who we follow. Clap, clap, bravo. Clap, clap.
Say something, man. Tell us about this deal, man. What happened with it, bro?
My man Cliff found the deal. I worked the deal. My man bought the deal.
And who GC in the deal?
I'm a GC. We keep it everything in-house.
And y'all, we made money on the acquisition, on the cash flow, and on the GC.
Yep.
Holla at you, folks.
Down, but they won't ever shake us. Bravo.